Okay, Peter here from Comfort Zone. I'm just hopping up here doing an inspection for a lady because she wasn't sure what insulation she had or how good it was installed. So I'll lift this up. I'll just put the manhole aside. Okay, now straight away I can see that she's got cellulose fibre insulation in the roof. So this is the recycled paper pulp, like what I use. This is probably from a different factory because it's a little bit coarser than mine. And the other thing I notice is that there's no cover, no insulation on top of the manhole cover, so we always put a bat on top of the manhole because 1% gaps reduces your efficiency by 30% and 5% gaps in the insulation will reduce your efficiency by 70%. So now we'll just have a little bit more of a look in here, and of course the next thing to notice is that not one of these downlights has actually got a shroud around them. They've all just had the insulation pumped around near the light, but no shroud, no border as such. This would still comply because the insulation is not on top of the transformer, but it's not the way we do it. We put a shroud around them, and then we can pump around the shroud and clean the shrouds out and make sure they're right. So that's the other thing about this job. So I would actually, it's pretty good as far as the depth goes. So I don't have any great comments there. There's a couple of holes in the job. It's hard for you to see on the video, but yeah, the main point would be all these downlights need to be fixed, and because they've all got transformers and no covers around them. All right. So I guess we'll give her a quote on fixing it up and bringing it up to standard and go from there.